watching this video. Let me introduce myself. My name is Inka Kustiada Mara. I am from class Act 9. So, on this occasion, I made this video with the of providing education and explaining a material about chapter 6 regarding the use of there is and there are in words. Okay, let's get started and look at the following explanation. Well, in this material, I will discuss and explain a material about the use of the words there is and there are. Before that, what is the similarity between there is and there are? The similarity between the two is both are used to indicate the extension of an object or person. That's earlier the equation between there is and there are. Now, the question is there a difference between there is and there are as well? The answer is yes. In there is, this word is used to indicate the extent of an object. There is also a shortcut for this word, which is there's. This word is also used to describe a single object, usually marked with an article a or an, such as an apple, a book, a car, and so on. The examples are there is a car in front of my home and there is an apple on the table. Okay, that was an example of the word there is. The usage of singular object that uses the article a and an. Besides singular noun, there is also used to indicate the extent of uncountable nouns, both in singular and plural forms, such as water, milk, hair, and so on. In single noun, for example, there is pure water in the refrigerator and there is orange juice for you. Furthermore, examples of plurals can be added with some or much. There is some milk in the refrigerator and there is a lot of juice. Then, the word there is can be used with a negative form of the word, such as there is not a student in the classroom and there is not a book in my bag. And usually in such negative form, there are things that cannot be counted. Therefore, it can be added with the word any, such as there is not any water in the glass. Next, beside a word there is in negative form, it turns out the word there is can also be used in the form of a question, such as is there a bicycle in your home? And is there a teacher in the school? Meanwhile, in words they are usually used to explain a plural countable noun, usually also by using words like numbers, 2, 4, some, several, many, and so on. Here are some examples of the word there are in plural form. There are some books in the library, there are 2 houses near the hospital, and there are many tables in the room. It turns out there are also the word in its negative form, which is the same as there is. The following are examples. There are not any books in the library, and there are not houses near the hospital. Next, there is also a form of negative word in there are, which is ended with the word any. The difference with there is, the word there is tends to add the word any if there are objects that are not counted. Meanwhile, the word there are only adds the word any. An example of the negative word is there are not any tables in the room. Okay, In order to better understand the material, here I have provided two example questions as follows. The first question. The question is, there are 12 buses parking in front of the shopping mall. A is BR, CB, D bin. The answer is B, R. Why is the answer B? Because in this problem, it mentioned a plural noun in the form of a number, in accordance with my previous discussion, that this problem is related to the word there are, which uses a plural noun in the form of a number. Next, the question number 2 is, there a car on the road? A is BR, CB, D bin. Is it clear that the answer is A? Is. Why is the answer A? Because A is a singular noun used in there is. Alright, that was some explanation for me about the material of there is and there are. Put in it similarities, differences, and also any words that can be used for both. I hope the explanation of the material I have provided can be understood and can increase insight and knowledge in understanding this material. Okay, just I end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much. Bye.